Hello student. Today we are going to study about the introduction sections of optics. Actually, optics is just related to the study of light. एनर्जी के दो ग्रुप हैं. Some of them are called form and some of them are called source. The part that energy जहां से किसी एनर्जी का डेवलपमेंट होता है that is called source. और एनर्जी के ट्रांसफर फॉर्म को we can say form of energy. For a simple example, I am just deal that. अगर हम एक सन की बात करें तो सन में जो एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस्ड होती है दैट इज ड्यू टू अ केमिकल रिएक्शन एंड दैट केमिकल रिएक्शन जनरेट हीट. सो अगर हम इस दो ग्रुप की बात करें देन केमिकल एनर्जी is the source of energy and heat energy is the form of energy. But that heat, that tremendous amount of heat generate light. So अगर हम heat और light की बात करें then heat is the source of energy and light is the form of energy. We know that energy neither be created nor be destroyed, only it changes from one form to another. So एक ही एनर्जी कभी फॉर्म बन जाएगी और कभी सोर्स बन जाएगी. तो ऑप्टिक्स इज दैट सेक्शन इन विच वी स्टडी अबाउट अ सिंगल फॉर्म ऑफ एनर्जी दैट इज कॉल्ड लाइट. और ऑप्टिक्स रिलेशन है लाइट के सारे नेचर एंड प्रॉपर्टी को. सो इफ वी जस्ट फिजिकली डिफाइन ऑप्टिक्स देन वी कैन से दैट ब्रांच ऑफ फिजिक्स इन विच वी स्टडी अबाउट द नेचर एंड प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ लाइट इज नोन एज ऑप्टिक्स. इन मॉडर्न फिजिक्स ऑप्टिक्स इज डिवाइडेड इंटू टू ग्रुप्स. But there is a interesting story behind this thing. The first man who introduced about the optics was Newton. And he tells that light is made up of a very small particles, very teeny particles called corpuscle. And he generate the theory. उन्होंने पूरे ऑप्टिक्स में लाइट के नेचर और उसकी प्रॉपर्टी को ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ पार्टिकल थ्योरी, पार्टिकल नेचर डेवलप्ड किया. आफ्टर हिम अ साइंटिस्ट वर्क्स ऑन द सेम थिंग, सेम ऑप्टिक्स, एंड ही टेल्स that light is not made up of a particle. It is just a wave. And he say that Newton was wrong. Light is not a particle. It is the wave and the energy of light due to its wave nature. But in modern science, when Einstein came, then he tells that by his experiment both was right. Light behaves dual nature, particle as well as wave, and he named that particle which behaves as a particle as well as wave as a photon. Now let's see on the board. So that branch of physics in which we study about the nature and property of the form of energy, that is called light, is known as optics. So that branch of physics in which we study about the nature and property of light is known as optics. आइंस्टाइन के समय में ऑप्टिक्स को दो ग्रुप में बांटा गया, फर्स्ट सेकेंड. फर्स्ट इज कॉल्ड जियोमेट्रिकल ऑप्टिक्स and second one is physical optics. Geometrical optics is just based on Newtonian mechanics, and physical optics is based on Huygens theory. Geometrical optics is that branch of optics in which we study about the nature and property of light on the basis of particle nature. That is given by Newton. So that branch of optics in which we study about the nature and property of light on the basis of particle nature with the help of ray diagram, is known as geometrical optics. And that branch of optics in which we study about the nature and property of light on the basis of wave theory, that means by the Huygens concept, on the basis of wave diagram, is known as physical optics. So at Einstein period, light have three portions: geometrical optics, physical optics, as well as photon theory. And mainly that photon theory is a study in the section of quantum mechanics, which is given by Albert Einstein. This is the whole part about optics. Actually, what is the nature and property of light? Then how light reflect, how light refract, how light diffract, how it polarize, they all are the parts of optics. Thank you.